Everyone assumes the answer is obvious. If you want the cheapest car to own, you buy a used Toyota hybrid. If you want luxury, you accept higher ownership costs. But what if that assumption is costing buyers thousands of dollars? Because after comparing purchase prices, fuel bills, maintenance, depreciation, insurance, and repair costs over 5 years, the gap between a used Toyota hybrid and a used luxury sedan isn't nearly as wide as most people think. In some situations, the luxury sedan can actually end up being the smarter financial decision. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one deserves your money and which one could quietly drain your wallet. This isn't another Toyota is reliable video. And it's definitely not another luxury cars are money pits story. We're looking at the numbers from the perspective of an average American buyer who plans to keep a used car for around 5 years and drive roughly 12,000 miles every year. Instead of focusing on brand loyalty, we're asking one simple question: which car actually costs less to own? To keep things fair, we'll compare some of the most popular used Toyota hybrids, models like the Prius, Camry Hybrid, and Avalon Hybrid, with proven luxury sedans such as the Lexus ES, Acura TL, Genesis G80, and Lincoln MKZ. We'll examine purchase price, fuel economy, insurance, maintenance, repairs, depreciation, and the one expense that surprises almost every buyer. And trust me, that final category changes everything. Here's where most people make a costly mistake. They look at fuel economy and stop there. A Toyota Prius averaging 50 miles per gallon sounds unbeatable. A Lexus ES 350 averaging around 30 miles per gallon sounds expensive. Case closed, except that's not how ownership costs work. Fuel is only one piece of the puzzle. A hybrid battery eventually ages. Insurance rates vary between models. Some luxury sedans depreciate so heavily during their first owner that second-hand buyers avoid that loss completely. Meanwhile, a Toyota hybrid often keeps its value so well that you're paying a premium just to buy one used. That's why two cars with completely different reputations can end up costing surprisingly similar amounts over 5 years. Smart buyers don't focus on one number. They focus on the total cost of ownership. And that's exactly what we're doing today. For this comparison, we're assuming both vehicles are purchased used with clean titles, good maintenance histories, and roughly similar mileage. No flood cars, no salvage titles, no neglected examples, because those aren't fair comparisons. Instead, we're looking at the kind of vehicles a careful buyer can realistically find in today's US used car market. Every dollar we discuss will fall into one of 6 categories: purchase price, fuel costs, maintenance, repairs, insurance, depreciation. Only after combining every category will we reveal which type of car actually keeps more money in your pocket. And the results are far more interesting than most people expect. Let's start with the number everyone notices first: the purchase price. This is where many buyers believe the Toyota hybrid has an automatic advantage. But that's not always true. A clean used Toyota Prius or Camry hybrid has become incredibly expensive because demand remains high. Many buyers specifically search for reliable hybrid transportation, pushing prices upward year after year. That means even an older Toyota hybrid with over 100,000 miles can still command a surprisingly strong price. Now compare that to a luxury sedan. Vehicles like the Lexus ES, Lincoln MKZ, Genesis G80, or Acura TL often lose value much faster during their first ownership. That's bad news for the original buyer. But it's fantastic news for you. Instead of paying $40,000 or $50,000 when new, you might buy one for half, or even less, after several years. In many cases, buyers discover they can purchase a well-equipped luxury sedan for nearly the same money as a basic used Toyota hybrid. You're suddenly getting premium leather, quieter cabins, stronger engines, advanced safety technology, and a much more refined driving experience without spending dramatically more upfront. That's the first surprise. Sometimes the luxury car doesn't cost significantly more to buy. Now let's talk about the category where Toyota hybrids usually dominate: fuel economy. There's no denying it. Toyota has built some of the most efficient hybrid systems in the automotive industry. A Prius or Camry hybrid can save hundreds of dollars every year compared with many gasoline-powered luxury sedans. If you drive long highway commutes or spend hours in city traffic, those fuel savings add up quickly over 5 years. For high-mileage drivers, that's a genuine advantage. But here's the part many people never calculate. Fuel savings alone don't determine the cheapest car to own. If a Toyota hybrid costs several $1,000s more to purchase than a comparable luxury sedan, part of those fuel savings disappear before you even leave the dealership. So while Toyota clearly wins the gas station battle, the overall financial picture isn't decided yet. Because the next category introduces a cost many buyers underestimate, and it has the power to erase years of fuel savings if you aren't careful. This is where Toyota has earned its reputation. Routine maintenance on most Toyota hybrids is generally predictable and relatively affordable. Oil changes, filters, brake fluid, coolant, and basic inspections rarely come with unpleasant surprises. Toyota's hybrid system also helps reduce brake wear through regenerative braking, meaning many owners go much longer before replacing brake pads compared to traditional gasoline cars. For someone who simply wants dependable transportation with minimal hassle, that's a huge advantage. But here's the misconception. Many buyers assume every luxury sedan is automatically expensive to maintain. That's no longer true. Modern luxury cars certainly become expensive when they're poorly maintained or loaded with complicated air suspensions, turbocharged engines, or advanced electronic systems. However, models like the Lexus ES 350, Acura TL, and even the Lincoln MKZ have proven to be surprisingly affordable when serviced regularly. In fact, because the Lexus ES shares many components with the Toyota Avalon and Camry, many maintenance items cost far less than buyers expect. The lesson here isn't that luxury cars are cheaper. It's that choosing the right luxury sedan matters far more than simply avoiding every luxury badge. Now let's address the question every used hybrid buyer eventually asks. What about the battery? It's probably the biggest reason some shoppers avoid Toyota hybrids altogether. The good news? Toyota's hybrid batteries have earned one of the strongest reliability records in the industry. Many continue operating well beyond 150,000 or even 200,000 miles with no issues. So if someone tells you every used hybrid needs an expensive battery replacement, that's simply not true. But here's the reality that smart buyers shouldn't ignore. Hybrid batteries don't last forever. Age matters just as much as mileage. Even a low-mileage hybrid that's 15 years old may eventually require battery work simply because the battery has aged over time. Depending on the model and whether you choose a new, remanufactured, or refurbished battery, replacement costs can range from hundreds to several $1,000s. Will every owner face that expense? No. Should every buyer include it in their long-term budget? Absolutely. Because ownership isn't about hoping nothing breaks. It's about preparing for the costs that realistically could happen. This is where the comparison becomes much more interesting. Toyota hybrids rarely surprise owners with major mechanical failures. Their engines, transmissions, and hybrid systems have built an outstanding reputation over decades. That predictability is one of Toyota's biggest strengths. But don't assume every luxury sedan is waiting to empty your bank account. Some luxury models deserve that reputation. Others absolutely don't. A Lexus ES, for example, combines luxury with Toyota engineering, making it one of the most dependable premium sedans ever built. The Acura TL has earned a loyal following because of its durable V6 engine and long-term reliability when properly maintained. Even the Lincoln MKZ and Genesis G80 have proven to be far more dependable than many buyers initially expect. The real danger isn't buying a luxury sedan. The real danger is buying the wrong luxury sedan. Choose one with a history of engine problems, complicated suspension systems, or poor maintenance records and repair bills can quickly erase any savings from the lower purchase price. Choose carefully, however, and ownership costs become surprisingly reasonable. Insurance is another area where assumptions don't always match reality. Most people automatically expect luxury sedans to cost dramatically more to insure. Sometimes that's true, but not always. Insurance companies calculate premiums using dozens of factors, including accident statistics, theft rates, repair costs, location, driver history, and claim frequency. Interestingly, some Toyota hybrids, especially extremely popular models like the Prius, can carry higher insurance premiums than buyers expect because of their popularity and the cost of replacing hybrid-specific components after an accident. Meanwhile, certain older luxury sedans with excellent safety records and lower market values may cost surprisingly little to insure. That's why smart buyers never guess. They request insurance quotes before buying the vehicle. A 5-minute phone call can save hundreds or even thousands of dollars over 5 years. At this point, the comparison isn't going the way most people expected. Toyota is still winning in fuel economy and predictable maintenance, but the luxury sedan has fought back with lower depreciation, surprisingly competitive purchase prices, and, in some cases, insurance costs that aren't nearly as intimidating as people assume. So which side is actually winning? The answer depends on one category that almost nobody calculates correctly. And once we combine depreciation with total 5-year ownership costs, the results become far more surprising than the fuel economy numbers alone suggest. A flashy buyer shops with emotions. They walk into a dealership, see the fuel economy sticker, or fall in love with a luxury badge and make a decision based on first impressions. A smart buyer does something completely different. They ask one question: what will this car cost me over the next 5 years, not just today? That's the difference between spending money and managing it wisely. Because the cheapest car to buy isn't always the cheapest car to own. And the most expensive looking car isn't always the one that empties your wallet. The smartest buyers don't chase badges. They chase value. And in the final part, we'll reveal which type of car actually wins once every major ownership cost is added together, and which buyer should choose a Toyota hybrid versus a luxury sedan. If there's one ownership cost that quietly drains more money than almost anything else, it's depreciation. And this is exactly where the comparison takes an unexpected turn. Toyota hybrids have an excellent reputation, which is great for reliability, but it also means used prices stay unusually high. Buyers are willing to pay a premium because they trust the brand. That's great if you're selling, but if you're buying, you're paying for that reputation up front. Luxury sedans follow a completely different path. Many lose 40 to 60% of their original value within the first 5 years. For the original owner, that's a painful financial hit. For the second owner, it's an opportunity. Imagine buying a car that originally cost over $50,000 for less than half of that price. Most of the heavy depreciation has already happened. That means when you own the car for another 5 years, the remaining depreciation is often much smaller than people expect. In other words, you're letting someone else absorb the biggest financial loss. That's one of the smartest strategies in the used car market. Of course, not every luxury sedan holds value equally well. Models with poor reliability or weak demand can continue losing value quickly. But proven choices like the Lexus ES, Acura TL, and even certain Genesis G80 models tend to offer a much better balance between luxury and long-term value. The lesson is simple. Don't just ask, how much does this car cost today? Ask, how much value will it lose while I own it? That's the number that really matters. Now let's put everything together. We've looked at purchase price, fuel, maintenance, battery risk, repairs, insurance, and depreciation. So what does the complete picture tell us? If your highest priority is spending as little as possible on fuel and enjoying predictable ownership, the Toyota hybrid remains incredibly difficult to beat. Its reliability, efficiency, and reputation make it one of the safest financial choices in the automotive world. But that's only half the story. When you compare total ownership costs, not just fuel economy, the gap between a Toyota hybrid and the right luxury sedan becomes surprisingly small. Why? Because a carefully chosen luxury sedan often starts with a lower purchase price than buyers expect, avoids the biggest depreciation losses, and delivers far more comfort, refinement, and performance for nearly the same long-term investment. The real winner isn't determined by one category. It's determined by the balance of all six. That's why smart buyers never make decisions based on gas mileage alone. They calculate the complete cost of ownership. And that's exactly where many first-time buyers get caught off guard. If you asked me to recommend just one used Toyota hybrid for the average American driver, my choice would be the Toyota Camry Hybrid. It strikes an excellent balance between efficiency, comfort, reliability, and practicality. Unlike the Prius, it feels more familiar to drive while still delivering impressive fuel economy. Parts are widely available. Maintenance costs remain reasonable, and its reputation for long-term reliability is among the strongest in the industry. For commuters, families, and anyone planning to keep a car well beyond 150,000 miles, it's one of the smartest used vehicles you can buy. When it comes to luxury, one model consistently stands above the rest: the Lexus ES 350. And the reason has very little to do with prestige. It combines Toyota's engineering reputation with a genuinely premium driving experience. You get a quiet cabin, outstanding ride quality, excellent long-term reliability, lower than expected maintenance costs, and strong resale value. It doesn't try to be the fastest luxury sedan. Instead, it focuses on something much more important for long-term ownership: consistency. For buyers who want premium comfort without premium repair headaches, the Lexus ES remains one of the safest luxury sedan purchases in today's used market. So, should you buy the Toyota Hybrid? Or should you take advantage of luxury car depreciation and upgrade to a premium sedan? The answer depends entirely on the type of buyer you are. If your daily routine involves long commutes, maximizing fuel economy, and minimizing surprises, the Toyota Hybrid is still one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. But if you're willing to spend a little more on fuel in exchange for a quieter cabin, better highway comfort, stronger performance, premium materials, and a driving experience that feels far more expensive than the price suggests, then the right used luxury sedan offers incredible value. The biggest mistake isn't buying either one. The biggest mistake is assuming every hybrid is automatically cheaper, or every luxury car is automatically expensive. The smartest buyers don't buy based on stereotypes. They buy based on numbers. And once those numbers are laid out side by side, the answer becomes much more interesting than most people ever expect. Now it's your turn. If you had $20,000 to spend today, would you choose a dependable Toyota Hybrid? Or take advantage of luxury depreciation and drive home in a Lexus, Acura, or Genesis? Let us know your choice in the comments and, more importantly, tell us why. Your experience could help another buyer avoid an expensive mistake. If you enjoy honest, data-driven comparisons that go beyond the marketing hype, make sure to subscribe to Right Exposed. Every week, we break down real ownership costs, expose hidden bargains, and help you buy smarter, not just spend more. Because the smartest car isn't always the newest one, and the best value is rarely the most obvious choice.